Lesson 6-4, dividing a one-digit whole number. A concrete mason separated 107 and 2,500 pounds of sand evenly into 3 containers. How much sand did he put into each container? So again, we have that separated, which tells me I'm subtracting or dividing. And then I have that each, which tells me I'm multiplying or dividing. And that's how I know I'm dividing. So I have 107 and 2,500 divided by 3. And what does that equal? So I'm going to come down and I'm going to put it in long division. Again, if you want to try drawing the model, you can, but a model for 107 is really big. But that's up to you. Long division is going to make it a little bit easier. So 3 divided by 1 is 0. 3 divided by 10, I'm going to come over here and make a power tower. 3, 6, 9, 12. That's 9. 1, 2, 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Subtract and get 1. Whatever you put at the top, you multiply to put down below. Then I bring down my 7. I need to keep going. I get 15 and I get 18. It can't be 18, it's too big. So 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 goes at the top. 15 goes down below. Subtract and get 2. Bring up your decimal. Bring down your number. 3 goes into 22, 18, 21, and then 24. 21 is going to be closer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 3 is 21. Subtract and get 1. Bring down your 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gave me 15. 5 times 3 is 15. Subtract and get 0. My answer is 35 and 75 hundredths. So when we're dividing decimals, it's the exact same way as we're dividing whole numbers. We just bring up that decimal. All right, so we're going to kind of come down here and we're going to look at number 5. 6 goes into 4 0 times. 6 goes into 45 how many times? Let's make a power tower. We have 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. So 42 is going to be my answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep. 7 times 6 is 42. Subtract and get 3. Bring down your 6. Bring up that decimal. Goes into 36. 6 times 6 is 36 with a 0. So again, it's the same steps as long division. You are just bringing up that decimal. All right, let's look at number 22. It says, what are the dimensions of a single stamp? So if this is 2 stamps and they are 2 2/10, I want to cut that in half. So what's half of 2 2/10? That would be 1 1/10 and 1 1/10. Looking over at my answer choices, I know I can cross out C and D. So now I have 3 75 hundredths divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's go ahead and do that math. I'm going to kind of do it up here so I have some space. So I have 3 75 hundredths divided by the 5 stamps. 5 goes into 3 0 times. Bring up that decimal. 5 goes into 37. Well, I can count 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. 40 is too much. So let's go back down to 35, which is times 7. Subtract and get 2. Bring down your 5. 5 goes into 25 5 times, which gives me 25. So I have 75 hundredths. This says 75 thousandths, and I didn't have that extra 0 there. So my answer is going to be